Namaste everyone. I am Nidhi from grade 8
and I am Tanvi from grade 9.
Tonight we are in for a remarkable experience where the vibrant arts meet the timeless power of mythology and spirituality. This is going to be an evening you won't forget.
That's right. Our next performance is inspired by two divine forces that shape the universe, Mahishasuramardini and Ashtalakshmi. It's a beautiful blend of power and peace, aggression and grace.
It's going to be a perfect fusion. On one side, we have Mahishasuramardini, the fierce goddess who triumphs over evil. Her strength and aggression drive away darkness, restoring balance to the world.
Exactly. Her battle is one of valor and victory, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. And on the other side, we have Ashtalakshmi, the goddess of peace, prosperity, and harmony. She represents everything that nurtures and sustains life, abundance, well-being, and tranquility.
Together, these two goddesses embody the perfect balance that the world needs: power and peace, strength and prosperity. It's this balance that keeps everything in harmony, from individuals to entire nations and even the cosmos.
And what better way to express this dynamic balance than through dance? Dance is an art form that speaks directly to our hearts, conveying stories, emotions, and energies in ways words simply cannot.
That's right, and tonight we're in for a treat as a talented dance troupe takes us on this powerful journey. They'll show us how aggression and peace, strength and prosperity come together in perfect harmony.
Without further delay, let's welcome the exceptional dance team to the stage. They are all set to bring in the forces of Mahishasuramardini and Ashtalakshmi to life with a performance that promises to be nothing short of mesmerizing.
So, let the rhythm guide you as we experience this enchanting journey of divine energy, strength and serenity. Over to the stage now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
सुंदरी माधवी चंद्र सहोदरी हेममयी मुनिगणवंदित मोक्ष प्रदायिनी मंजुळभाषिणी वेदनुते पंकजवासिनी देव सुपूजित सर्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी आदिलक्ष्मी जय पालय माम् जय पालय माम् ऐकलिकल्मषनाशिनि कामिनि वैदिकरूपिणि वेदमयि क्षीरसमुद्भव मङ्गलरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि मन्त्रनुते मङ्गलदायिनि अम्बुजवासिनि पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धान्यलक्ष्मी जय पालय माम् जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधरलक्ष्मी पालय माम् स्वरवरदाननुते सकल सुरासुरदेव मुनि सर्वेश्वरि भारति भार्गवि शोकविनाशिनि रत्नमये मणिमयभूषित कर्णविभूषण शान्ति समावृत हास्यमुखे नवनिधिदायिनि कलिवलहारिणि काम्यफलप्रदहस्तयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विद्या लक्ष्मी पालय माम् जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधन लक्ष्मी पालय माम् जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधन लक्ष्मी पालय माम्
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमोदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते नन्दितमोदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सरलननादते तते ताडनिमित्तजलाधिरते कल्पवामतिवरकौन्दकताणकताणकुतूहलनादरते दिम्दिमिकिटदिक्किटदिमिध्वनिधीरमृदङ्गनिनादरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते